friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you some tips for improving English, because I want to tell you 3 tips for improving English. All the times all the learner want to improve English, but they couldn't speak English very well because of they don't have any environment, they don't have any person, they don't have any knowledge about speaking English, how to learn English, because they don't know how to learn English. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything, because I want to tell you everything, how did I learn English and how am I learning English, because I want to tell you my experience, my speaking English, because my journey was very fabulous. Because when we start speaking English, actually all the times I think about speaking English, because I want to be fluent in English. I want to be perfect in English, but I didn't know how to speak English, how to learn English. Actually I watch motivate video, because there are so many video are available on YouTube, and then I watch so many videos, and then I motivate. But I don't know, I didn't know how to learn English, because all the times I watch the English video and I watch the grammar. But according to me, grammar is not important. Okay, grammar is not important. Only focus, only do the focus on improving English and listening English. Okay, if you are if you are listen more much English video, automatically your flow will be improved. Of my according, you should watch the English video, and after that you start speaking English. Okay, first of all I would like to tell you, when you start learning English, when you start speaking English, but you don't know how to start speaking English, first of all you should listen, because listening power is very important. And while listening, why observing, why consuming, you will be perfect according, because I know very well, when I started speaking English, so that times I didn't watch any English video, but I start speaking, but I am not that perfect, I couldn't speak English well. But since then I have been learning English, I have been watching English video, I am gradually improved in English. Okay, I think this way is very fabulous, and even I am use this I use this way, so that's why I am telling to you. And practice is very important. All the times you should have the practice, because without practice we can't speak English. So I think practice is very important, and I said my several videos, because you should have the practice is very necessary when you are alone at your home, so that time you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself if you don't have any partner. So that's why, otherwise you can speak with your friend, your family members, because you want to be perfect. I think 50% of them don't want to speak with other person because of hesitation, because of low confidence, because this times I am making the video, so that times people make the fun. So how to start speak English in front of other people. So I couldn't, I can't do something like this. So even so, I want to be perfect in English, I want to be fluent in English, but I don't know how to start. So I think you should, first of all you should listen, and second one you have the practice, and then after that you can speak with yourself if you don't want to speak other person. So okay, actually I know even I don't have any partner and any person and any environment, but I want to be fluent in English because I want to be perfect. uh, because when I am free at my home, so that times I speak with myself and I watch English video, because English video is very good for improving English according to me, because I observes every person who speak English, and I watch carefully because I want to be perfect. I want, actually I think this way is very good. And in the beginning, I told you I have three tips. First one, listening, and second one, have the practice, and third one, speaking. More speaking. Okay, how as much as you can speak in English, definitely you will be improved. Believe me. Okay, please believe me, and definitely you will be improved. This and in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like, because your comment and your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.